hello, hello. Hello. Just waiting to see if we can get some people in. Got something I want to talk about today. Hello. Hello. Got anybody just yet? I'm driving out on the way to work. What I want to talk about is something important I think a lot of people should really know about. And that's life insurance. We all know we're going to die at some point in life. So why not leave our family with something that's going to take care of our burial, that's going to take care of the headstone, that's going to take care of flowers, that's going to take care of some of the bills that you leave behind. Because life still goes on, and the bills still come through. So I'm a life insurance agent here in North Carolina. I've been doing life insurance since 2011. I'm also licensed in health. I do life and health, 2 separate licenses here in North Carolina. So I partnered up with my friend Julia Wright, and together we started oliveleaf.org is the website if you want to go to. We have more information there, but it's oliveleaf.org. Olive leaf is one word. .org is the site. Also, my number, if you want to contact me, my number is the 910-703-3247. 703-3247, and that is my business number. Of course, if you know me personally, you know my personal cell phone. So what my concern is, a lot of people, they have their kids. Nobody expects their children to die. I have a son. He's 14 months old now. It's my firstborn child, and I love him to death. And I would, God forbid, I would never ever wish anything to happen to my child, or anybody's child for that matter. But we all know kids do get sick. Some kids get cancer. Some kids, come down with other crazy incidences, car accidents. Us as a family, sometimes we have car accidents, that are beyond our control, and the child might be harmed, or I might be harmed. How you doing, Harold? So things like that happen. We can't control what's going to come at us in life. All we could do is control how we react to things. So my suggestion is always to have life insurance. Now with Olive Leaf Insurance, which is oliveleaf.org, myself and Julia, what we do is we like to help families get their children insured as well as their family members. As a parent, you're going to leave behind bills. I mean, if you're married, you have a husband and a wife, or husband and husband, or wife and wife, doesn't matter. You more than likely have 2 incomes in your household. So if either spouse was to die, someone has to pick up the slack of that income. So if your spouse is bringing in $100,000 a year and the other spouse is only bringing in 50, well, now they're going to have to make that family continue to live and move forward in life without that income. So that's why you get life insurance. You could get a term policy. You could get a whole life policy. A lot of people like whole life because that is a more permanent insurance. And with whole life, you pay it until age 121. Well, the company I'm with, I'm not going to say it on here, but the company I'm with, they have a life insurance policy that's whole life, that you pay on it for 20 years. That's it. So you pay for 20 years. The premium's a little bit more a month, but you pay on the whole life policy for 20 years. At the end of that 20 years, you no longer have to make payments. All you have to do is continue living, and your policy is in force. Your policy will stay in force. So it's a 20-year pay. Now here's something for you. We also have a 20-year term life policy with return of premium. Meaning, if you do month-to-month payments on that policy for 20 years, at the end of that 20-year mark, you get 98% of your money back. 98% of your money back. And that is a term policy. Because in our working years, you know, when you're between your 30s, most people have their kids between mid-20s until their late 30s. In that time up until retirement age of 60, 62, we all know we can't live on Social Security. We already know that. I mean, the only thing you can afford on Social Security is a cardboard box and maybe a bucket to go to the bathroom in. So it's a fixed income. So I'm offering a lot of folks now in my age bracket. I'm 41, I'll be 42 the end of the year. I'm offering the 20-year. I got one for myself, a 20-year hold, about $15,000. At my age, it's costing me about $47 a month. And that right there, for the next 20 years, I'll be 62. It'll be paid in full. That policy will stay in place. I won't need much. I won't have much income. My kid will be, you know, in his 20s. You know, we'll be getting older. I'll be moving to a fixed type income. So this is why we do these type of policies, term and hold. But I love the fact that this company that I'm with, we can offer that to our clients. So it's a great thing. I encourage you to get with us, ask questions, find out how much you need. Now, the major thing that we do have is something called God, I might just had a brain freeze. Either ways, it's a benefit that we have that only our company is the only company that's really offering it. Not Olive Leaf Insurance, but the company that I'm representing as an insurance agent. They're offering something else, and what it is it's an inflation protection plan. So basically, it's just an additional $3 on top of your monthly payment, and what that does is it will lock you in your rates. So a casket today is not going to be the same cost in 20 years. A casket today might cost you $2,500, whereas later it might cost $3,000, $4,000 for the same casket. So with the program we have that's available through this company, what they do is they lock you in. So you can get your policy now. You can select your casket, the color, black, white, pearl, blue, whatever it may be. You go ahead and lock in that price. You lock in your headstone, all that. You lock in the vault. If you're in North Carolina, you need a vault. So all of that can be done so that when you do pass, whether it be tomorrow, whether it be the next week, it's already done for your family. So I think I'm pretty much good. That's all I'm really going to talk about now till the next time I go live. But I urge you to give Olive Leaf Insurance a call. You can get us at the website, oliveleaf.org. You go in there. We're also Olive Leaf Insurance on Facebook. It's with the gold olive leaves around the name. I think there's another one out there, but ours is the one with the gold olive leaves around the name. But definitely get with us. I mean, also, one last thing. We can cover anybody, ages 0 to 85. We can cover anyone, whether you have had a heart attack, you have had cancer, leukemia, you name it. If you've had any type of sickness and you have been denied for life insurance at any time, we have a policy for you. We can actually get you covered, and we can get you covered at an affordable rate. So, like I said, call oliveleaf.org. You can give me a call directly. My number is 910-703-3247, and I am driving to work, as y'all can probably already see. But please get with us. We also can cover inmates too. Let me just let you think on that one. But until then, until the next time, I'm gonna talk about another topic next round. Thanks for watching, and God bless, and take care of yourself.